Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your BROW browser control. So click on apps and browser control from the search results. Once we are here, we need to click on reputation based protection settings and then enable this option. Scroll down, enable this one and check this one, then enable this and enable this. We have to enable all these options. Once done, close this window and let's move to the next step. That will be simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run and services.msc, type services.msc and hit enter. Once we are here, find out Windows Update. Just keep scrolling down and you will find the Windows Update. Simply right click on it and click on Restart. Once done, just close this window and simply go to search bar, type here PowerShell. Right click here and select Run as Administrator. Select as. On this window, we need to execute the command. So type this command carefully and simply hit enter to execute. Now type get dash appx package space Microsoft.sec health space dash au all users space reset dash app x package and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. Once done, type exit and simply restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue. That will be a very good and effective one also. And yeah, restart the system. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.